Now there is one third setup that I trade right after London opens, and I use it in times when I don't see the setup 1 and setup 2 that I shared with you. So the first one is that I aim to catch these impulsive moves right after the market opens. If I have all the confirmations on the hard time frames, the Forex Profit Supreme meter shows that this is the best pair to trade, and I take advantage of that. The second one is when I use the Fibonacci to draw the retracements, and I place pending orders on these retracements no matter in which direction. But the third one is the case where we have everything in front of us before the market opens. We have the hard time frames, the Forex Profit Supreme meter, and I'm ready to trade, but right at the opening I see that the market flips the other way around. And this is what I had yesterday with the pound Aussie. I had all the confirmations on the hard time frames. Before the market opened, pound was the strongest, Aussie was the weakest, and it was the best pair to trade. But right after the market opened, it turned around downwards and then started climbing again. So in this case, I used the 20 moving average on M1 time frame, and whenever the price breaks above, I take the trade. Now how I am trading that, you can see that at this moment the price breaks the 20 moving average. I'm waiting for the opening of the next bar, so at that point is where I entered. I traded that on another account which is not a subject of this course. So right in here is the opening, okay? And then I would take the lowest point the price reached for the day, for the trading session, and I grab the calculator and I calculate this distance. Alright, so to make it really precise, it is 175.98 minus 175.833, and that is a distance of 14 pips. Then what I will do, I will place a take profit twice as bigger as this distance. I will multiply that by 2. Okay, so I'm aiming at 2 times that distance, and I will add it to my entry price 175.89, so I would know where the take profit is. 176.27. 176.27 is right in here, and this is where my take profit was. And of course the stop loss is behind the recent lows. In this case I think it was in here, which gave me a good reward to risk ratio. And you will notice that it really doesn't happen that often, but it happens. Okay, so whenever we have all the confirmations right before the market opens, the Forex Profit Supreme meter shows that this is the right pair to trade, and the market opens and it flips around, then I would use the 20 moving average, because sometimes this flip or this opposite movement will be huge, right? And then the market will go in our favor. Then I would enter right after the price breaks the 20 moving average. I will calculate the distance to the lowest or to the highest point, and then I will place a take profit twice as bigger as this distance. And this is kind of initial move, right? After that, if everything is still in your favor, you can draw the Fibonacci and take the retracements. In this case, you will see that I had the Fibonacci, and then the price retraced to the 61.8 and the 50, and then it went in my favor. Alright, so this is the third setup that happens from time to time on the market, and I hope I'll be able to record such examples during this course.